Nagsimula na ang Central Visayas Regional Athletic Association Meet 2024. Tiwala ang DepEd Region 7 at LGU ng Cebu City na magiging matagumpay ang nasabing sporting event. Si Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu sa sentro ng balita.
Matapos ang halos isang taong renovation, binuksan ulit ang pool facility ng Cebu City Sports Center. Ito ang kauna-unahang Olympic-sized pool ng lungsod na may brand new filtration system at starting blocks na pang-international ang standard. Katabi nito ang 25-meter warm-up pool. Isa ito sa mga pasilidad na gagamitin sa nalalapit na Central Visayas Regional Athletic Association Meet o CVRAA 2024.
Yeah, we're very excited to reopen after almost a year the Cebu City Sports Center pool. This is a collaboration mainly of the private sector, and we were able to raise as much as 25 million from many donors. So this pool is ready for our CVRAA, which will be starting on May 4 on Saturday. So for the next week, this will be exclusively used by our athletes for the CVRAA. But after that, we will open this to the public.
Kaya ganado at excited mag-ensayo ang grade 10 na swimmer na si Bryle kasama ang buong swimming team ng Cebu City.
I think the new pool here is very great. More swimmers can now practice properly. So like this new pool is already great representation of Cebu for its swimmers and other athletes.
Ang gaganaping CVRAA sa lungsod ay isang magandang pagkakataon para mas makapaghanda ang LGU para sa pag-host sa nalalapit na palarong pambansa. Patuloy din ang isinasagawang renovation sa oval at grandstand ng Cebu City Sports Center. Samantala, nagsidatingan na ang mga delegado mula sa iba't ibang schools division sa Region 7 na nag-qualify para sa CVRAA. Inihanda ng Lahug Elementary School ang nasa 100 classrooms na magsisilbing billeting quarters ng delegado ng Tagbilaran City Division. Kabilang na ang mga portalets at portabaths, pati supply ng tubig sa paaralan ay pinaghandaan na rin.
School also had our initiative. We tap the city government and MCWD to increase pressures for our water supply for Lahug Elementary School and Lahug National High School.
It has been anticipated that Cebu City will be running out of water. No? That is the supply of water, which is a challenge, but they have promised to us that when it comes to water supply, they have already prepared for that.
Mahigpit na seguridad naman ang ipapatupad sa lahat ng paaralan na magiging temporary class homes ng mga atleta hanggang sa 9 ng Mayo. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.